Good morning. I am in Denver, Colorado. It's been snowing since, about 11 o'clock last night. It's still snowing. It is 12 degrees and minus 11 Celsius. I was supposed to make a delivery this morning at 4:45 in the morning. I don't think so. One thing about this company I like is they don't require you to chain up. So I don't. So they rescheduled my appointment for tomorrow morning. The storm is supposed to pass sometime later tonight. But as you can see, there's still quite a few trucks parked here. And it's definitely snowing.